This is a continuation of my vibe coding experiments. I'm going to go over how I totally redesigned one of the interfaces over here after thinking about it for some time. So this is one of my websites that I made with Lovable and Cursor and writing it myself. I initially wanted to do something like speak your song into existence. So you can speak to Lyric Genie in this case and say what you want in a song, and then Lyric Genie would write a song for you. And then if you wanted to edit it, you could either edit it with your like typing or through giving Lyric Genie another wish. And so what that looked like is this. I'm going to show you in a second. After having this website up for 6 months and doing a couple of other websites, I have come to basically decide that chat interfaces with AI, which this is what Lyric Genie is, it's using AI, Gemini behind the scenes, is the best way of interfacing with AI at this moment. And so in this past week, I wanted to redesign this part of the interaction with Lyric Genie in order for it to be easier to interact and get a song that you want from Lyric Genie. So I totally redesigned it. I'll show you what it looks like before and what it looks like now. And the point is that you can easily try out different UI interactions with these AI coding tools. And because of that, I think that there will be a lot of people being able to quickly hypothesize what will work better and improve their user interfaces because it is so easy to trial this out. Anyways, so I'll say what I did before. So what you did before is you would go to this create page and you would say what you want. So let's see. I want a Cyndi Lauper style song about having fun at the pool and all of the funny things that you can do in a pool, like going down the slide or laps or, hanging out with friends. Make it in the Cyndi Lauper style and peppy. So you just say what you want, it uploads everything, and then you can make a wish from that. And then it sends a message to Gemini and it waits for something to come back. So then you can review the tapes and, edit it, save the changes, whatever you want. But if you didn't want to edit it normally and you wanted Lyric Genie to edit it, then you would have to press this button, Refine Lyrics, and then you say, you decide what you want. It's kind of hard to see what the lyrics look like and what you want here to write here. So that was a little bit hard. And then I'm going to say orange at the beginning of the lyrics. The other thing is that this input could only be text because that's what I had it written as. So everything was a little bit too many clicking of buttons to get to different places, too rigid in that the input had to be only audio and then the refinements only had to be text, and it was hard to see what was going on in this view because you could only see the text in this view, and then you'd have to run down here, and you can see that Lyric Genie added orange at the end. That was what it looked like before, and this is just what I came up with at the time. And after thinking about it and deciding that the way to interact with AI, the best way is through a chat, and working on it for about a week in Lovable and Cursor, this is the new version. So you go to here and you have a blank chat where you can either record audio either here or here, or you can write something over here. So I can say like title the unknown and And then I can even say something like this. I would like Cyndi Lauper style song that's like 1980s pop, about spending the summer at the pool with your friends and having fun there, splashing and going down the slides and swimming and everything like that. Make it descriptive. Okay, and then here you can see that's the new audio. And then you send that message over. We wait for the chat to come back with the title. So it saw my message and it made a set of lyrics from here. Now, if I want to edit this, then I can say something like, so I can do that, and then it will now edit everything. And look, I can see I can see the edits here, and then I can edit whatever I want. But now it's a lot easier to interface between the lyrics that I'm trying to create and Lyric Genie that will handle this properly. Okay, so I just want to share with you like how you can totally redesign your UI based on, whatever you come up with, things that you hear, things that you try out very easily with these AI coding agents. And then within a very short amount of time, you can launch it. So I think that's really cool. Um, and what do you think? Have you totally redesigned parts of your website, your user interface, because it's so easy with these AI tools?